5, 6 and 7.
Which row? Over there. On the way. Yeah, that's
Helo bawb, noswaith dda. Good evening, everyone.
I approached Ellen with a project. We hit upon an idea of inviting an artist. In this case, it was Catrin Williams, who's a very respected artist. Catrin and I, we chose 3 schools along the Menai Straits, Llawer PG, Menai Bridge and Llewelyn-Jones. And we asked if we come to the school and work with about 25, 30 children to create some artwork. The idea being that Catrin would give them ideas about colour and I would tell them stories and play the music and they would paint. And the fruits of their labour, I think you've seen these large banners that we have in the foyer space outside. And then of course they created little images, so they were sketching as well, and you'll see some of those during the performances tonight.
I'm here tonight because I am a big fan of Debussy. His music means like a lot to me. It brings a lot of emotion. Every time I hear his music, I just have to smile.
Oedd celf y plant, dwi'n meddwl, yn gret. Oedd o'n ddonio, achos oedd hi wedi dweud, o, dyma celf plant o'r ysgolion. A wedyn oedd Van Gogh a Monet wedi dod fyny, a pawb dda, waw! Ond na, oedd wedi gweithio'n dda, dwi'n meddwl. Ac oedd rhai o'r gweithio'r plant actually yn dda iawn oedd ac yn mynd cyd-fynd efo'r music yn neis iawn. So oedd, ie, cyfuniad neis.
With something like the Submerged Cathedral, all those images, I think once you know that it's a cathedral, presumably, mae'r gair ei hun yn deitha chi Gadeirlan, da chi'n disgwyl clychau, you hear bells, you're expecting to hear possibly an organ or some chanting or some sort of hymn-like chords. I suppose it would be interesting to take a group of people who'd never heard any Debussy and say, right, here are 4 titles and here are 4 pieces. Rhowch y darn efo'r teitl. It'd be interesting to see how that would pan out.
Oedd heno yn apelio'n arbennig oherwydd bod gynnau eisiau gweld sut oeddech chi'n mynd i blethu yr geiriau Bethan Rhys hefo perfformiad Iwan. Ac o'n i'n gwybod bys ni'n cael rhywbeth reit arbennig heno oherwydd I ddawn o a'i ddehongliad o. Ac wrth gwrs, ffaith bod gynnach chi wedyn yn gemlen I hyn I gyd, mae gynnach chi'r darluniau arbennig yma a mae I gyd yn plethu at ei gilydd I greu noson wirioneddol ddifyr. Dwi wrth fy modd I ddweud y gwir.
Mae'r lliwiau yn hollol chi'n bod yn blendio i'w gilydd, yn fendigedig, ac argraff ydych chi'n cael yn fanna. O'r delweddau yma, mae nhw'n trio portreadu. Mae yn ardderchog. Chi'n bod mae celf a cherddoriaeth yn perthyn yn agos iawn i'w gilydd. A dyna dyn ni wedi weld, dwi'n meddwl, heno yn y fan hyn. A diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.